Positive and normative economics, the two sides of economic thinking. When someone says the unemployment rate is 7% and another replies that's unacceptable, the government should act. They're not arguing, they're speaking different economic languages. Welcome to the world of positive and normative economics, the two sides of how economists think. One describes, the other prescribes. Let's explore both. What is positive economics? Let's start with positive economics, the just the facts part. It answers questions like, what is the inflation rate? How do fuel prices affect transport demand? What happens if the government increases taxes? It doesn't take sides. It doesn't tell you what's right. It just explains using data, logic, and observation. Think of it like a doctor diagnosing a condition without giving advice yet. What is normative economics? Now, switch gears and enter normative economics. This side asks, should education be free for all? 0. Should the government spend more on rural healthcare? Is it fair to increase fuel prices? Here, we are not just studying, we are judging. It's about values, fairness, and what we believe should happen. Normative economics helps shape goals. It brings ethics into economics. Quick comparison, positive versus normative. Let's compare them side by side. Aspect positive economics. Normative economics focus, facts and data, opinions and values. Key question, what is, what should be? Example, poverty rate is 22%. Poverty must be reduced. In short, positive chart reality, normative chart responsibility, and both are essential. Why the distinction matters? Why does this distinction matter? Because good policy needs both. Imagine a government planning a new tax. Positive economics tells us this may reduce consumption. Normative economics asks, is it fair to raise taxes on the poor? The best decisions come from combining data with values, knowing the facts, and understanding their impact. Final thought, the heart and mind of economics. To wrap it up, positive economics tells us what is the economy's mind. Normative economics guides us on what should be the economy's heart. Economists need both to create meaningful change. So next time you hear an economic statement, ask yourself, is this a fact or a value? That one question can unlock the real message behind any policy or opinion.